Inventionz. So guys, today I'm going to be reviewing the miniatures individually. So let's start from the replicas. So what I mean by replicas is the exact replica of an E30 car, which is not a powered car or moving on, so it's just a replica. So let's start from JBash's E30. You can spot the iconic dual headlights, the BMW kidney grille, some air vents, and the hood cover, which actually opens up in a BMW E30 style, comes forward and goes in backward. So coming to the side, you can see the fenders, the E30 style, the side mirrors. I'm sure you can see yourself there. Then the wheels, there's a 4-spoke wheel, and the door handle. So the tail lights, plate number, it actually says JBash there, and the BMW iconic logo again. You can sight the bucket seats from the rear view, from the rear windshield here. So let's go to the other side. You can spot same 4-spoke BMW 4-spoke wheels, a door handle, side mirror. So let's open up the door for you to see in it. So you can see the bucket seat, 2 bucket seats inside. Of course, drift hunters, so it was all about drift. There's the hydraulic e-brake and the drift knob with a steering wheel. So let me show. So you can see steering wheel, racing steering wheel, a shift knob, and a hydraulic e-brake. So let's open the hood. So you can spot engine replica also, and for those who know, this is not an E30 engine replica. So it says M power on it, which you know is coming from a M car. So this is a S62 engine replica coming from BMW M5, the 3rd generation M5, the E30. So those who have been checking on my updates for a while now know that I actually do stuffs like this, just like the car, being a petrol head and a car guy's lifestyle. So 2024 I also made an E36, and I gave it a S85 engine replica. So just being a petrol head and a drift family, and JBash and Caps Awal also are also in that vibe of giving a sleeper a more powerful engine. So I just did something like more of that, putting an S62 engine in a BMW E30 S62 engine replica. I think that's the best way to say it. Was yes, so you know, so, and it looks perfect there, it suits well. So you can see it, and you can sight from the windshield the gear knob, steering wheel, and the 2 buckets. Here's my brand identity, and here's the so let me open. Let's check in the trunk, so you can see. too priceless to be a toy. So priceless. This is a work of art.